Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we're gonna review Sigma 72-210 lens, and the aperture for this lens goes from f4 to 5.6. So at the longer end at 210 the aperture is 5.6, and at the short end, that is 70, it is f4. And this is all metal lens, and this must have been made maybe like 30 years back, and this is autofocus lens for the Nikon system. But the thing is that in order for the autofocus to work, you need to have the autofocus motor built inside the body of the camera. So it's a screwdriver kind of autofocus. So I'm having this D600 camera, so it works fine with that. It will also work fine with the D90, D7000, or uh, D80, or any of the Nikon camera that have the autofocus motor inside the body of the camera, guys. But if you want to use this on D3000 series cameras or D5000 series camera, then you will have to do manual focusing. And in terms of weight, it's pretty heavy. It's around 500 grams or something, and it is all metal. If you look at how you zoom with this, so it is like a telescopic lens. So you have to push the barrel like this to the front and backward in order to zoom in and out. And if you want to do the focusing you can do using this. But if you have set your camera to autofocus, don't try to push this, otherwise it can damage the lens, because then this screwdriver would be connected to the camera. You can see when I'm trying to focus, this screwdriver is moving. So this is how it autofocus the camera. And in terms of the image quality, it is an excellent lens, guys. I took a lot of images with this lens and I got really great results. So now I'm gonna put onto the screen the photos that I've taken with this lens, and you can check for yourself how nice they look. If you want a really good zoom range, like a 72 to 10 is a pretty good zoom range, and at 210 you can get really nice background blur, and the sharpness is excellent, build quality is excellent with this lens. The only thing that I miss on this lens is the VR, because it doesn't have VR, so you can have some kind of a camera shake if you are shooting at 210. Otherwise you have to shoot at a very high shutter speed. So this lens would be good choice if you want to shoot in good lighting condition in the daytime, but not so good if you want to shoot in low lighting situation. Now I'm gonna put onto the screen the video footage that I've taken with this lens, and the video is pretty nice. The only drawback is that since it is a screwdriver kind of autofocus lens, so it can make some kind of a hunting noise, like the autofocus noise in the video. So it is more desirable to use this in the manual focus if you want to avoid the focus hunting and the focusing noise. Here is the footage. Hello guys, right now I'm using the Sigma 72 to 10 lens, and the audio you are listening exactly from the camera. This is a autofocus lens, and right now I am at 210, and you can see the background blur that you can get with this lens. It's a creamy bokeh altogether, and the sharpness is really very good with this lens. So now I'm gonna go back to 70 from 210. So at 70, this is how it looks like. It might not be the best lens for making video because of the focusing noise you get with it, but if you are okay with doing the manual focusing, then you can get really very good results from this lens. And let me show you like how the image quality looks from this lens. So I'm gonna go back to 70, and focus on the background, so you can see how nice the video footage looks. So in terms of pricing, you can have these lenses used for almost 30 US dollar depending on the condition. 30 to 40 US dollar would be a pretty good price for this lens, and they are very easily available on eBay and many other second-hand website, and they still work really great. And the best thing about these lenses are that they are full frame. So when you are using them on your full frame camera, for example, I use this on D600, so I can get great results. If you want to get a full frame original Nikon lens for the f mount, they are pretty damn expensive, but this can do a pretty fine job, guys. Alright guys, I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you always get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video then.